Warning, this stunt is performed by a real idiot, professional one. Do not try this at home.
Coming over you. Nice fish. There you go. Yeah, I wish you would have kept moving just a little bit more. Ready, Tyler? Yeah. Look. Oh! Look out!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh my god!
Alright, we're ready to let go. Oh!
That is nothing like the one that I saw jump up on towards you. It was solid black.
That one was smashed. This one's big though. Somebody shot him or something.
That is a nice one though. Tossing them up here on the road. Look at the buzzards. Oh boy. You stirred them up. You stirred them up. I know, that's where I was just getting ready to shoot at, and then.
That's a big one there.
Get him right there.
Oh my god. I got too much stuff in my reel.
I know. There's one over here stuck to the mud. Hey, I got something.
Nice.
I got
you
something.
got the big one. Yeah. You had to have.
Hang on. Let him find it. Just let him.
Holy crap.
Woo! Yeah, go ahead and hit him.
Yeah.
Hang on. Wait, maybe he's coming in now. Nope, let him shoot it. Well, if he's hooked good, help, hold him up. We got him. We did it! I got one. Hey, there's the fin, big fin right there. Straight across.
Hell yeah, Justin.
Still through?
Yeah, it's all the way through.
Okay.
Okay, you might have the big one now.
Yeah.
What? That's a nice retrieve there, Padre. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's probably the big one we've seen.
Look careful here, still wrapped up. Oh, that was awesome. I didn't even notice it until I started reeling in. I'm like, ah, my line's heading upstream. Look at the size of that mud bug. Well, now that nobody's ready, there goes some.
There's another one like the same size as his.
I don't think it's that black one that come out when I was. Look how much was holding it.
Yeah. God, I got my adrenaline going.
Look at that guy. That's a big one.
That's a big one.
Man, he was fighting too. Did you see my spool started taking off? He got a double. He's going in. He's gonna get muddy for it. Look at him.
He's already up past his boot.
Let me get past you.
I got two.
I didn't get the shot, but I got the fish.
Oh shit.
Just come ahead and crawl out. I'm not going down there. You're on your own, old boy. Oh man, that one buried. You should have grabbed your arrow though. You got your double. You can get it right off this video, buddy. Yeah, that's awesome. I'll get a picture real quick. Can't even see my phone.
Oh, I got another double.
You did get another double.
That's so funny.
So lucky.
It's a
Okay, here comes the big jump.
That's where I shot for that first. These two are much smaller.
Yeah, hold them up here. Hold them up. Never mind. Nice. Just lock that sucker. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at that one. Help. Maybe not quite as big as that last one, but he might be bigger than that last one. Nope. God dang, he's a fighter. And he came out. I thought it was way bigger than that last one. I was just like the Karens and I yelled 911 knowing nobody would come. Jesus. That's gonna stir the pot.
Buzzards be eating good for a couple days.
They really will. Dang it. Well, you get a fish on, they freak out. Whoa!
These fish to fight close to me, so when they stir them up, I can shoot them out of the fucking sky. I'm gonna try.
Ready?
Yeah.
He's just coming in all gently now. Here he goes. You might have to shoot that one.
Shoot him?
Oh, I think he's coming now. He's barely hooked. I thought he'd give you some friends that jumping around. I got him. That's different. He's lassoed. He tail wrapped. That's a good fish though. Look at this one. It's still a pretty good sized fish. Just in the tail, right on the meat side of it. Look at, that's how I had that last one. Just pull it and done. Oh my God.
Oh, found a big one. They're jumping on each other.
You got a nice one? That is a good one. I saw him. You had him. You getting a Remington?
I'm getting there. Haphazardly.
I'm getting the hang.
Big one.
I'm getting the hang of this thing. That was awesome. Do you know how long I held that one? Right in that same piece of meat. Right there in that same spot there.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah. That is a good one. Sweet. You don't have you take me a picture of that one.
Go grab your other good one and take a double.
Put it on picture.
Okay. You a no looker. That's what I just
How was that distance? I don't know if I got him or not. I think I got him. That was a long shot. From here. Oh no, look at him. He's up on the bank.
That's him. Line's through it.
Nice. Was that good enough for you?
Yeah.
I almost shot all my line out. Oh man.
That's when you know the carp pole's good.
Is it Asian? Carp. Slaughter.
God, I've gotten like so many headshots.
Coming over you. Nice fish. There you go. Yeah, I wish he would have kept moving just a little bit more. Ready, Tyler?
Yeah.
Look. Oh! Look out!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah, you said yeah.
I was too fucking 3 feet away from my damn head.
I said, are you ready? You said
I was in
yeah.
the spine, I would have went down like a sack of fucking potatoes. Splash, that was bad. I heard a thud.
In my defense, though, you wanted to do it earlier. So before anybody goes saying that's not safe and all that, yeah, you're right, it wasn't safe.
Right,
But
off,
it was his idea.
what I'm doing right now is safe.
First off, nobody died. I'll be like that guy from Hangover. But did you die? Oh, nice shot. Nice shot. Oh man, that was epic. Would that be Remington's fault since it's his arrow? Remington's arrow killed someone. Nice shot. Now we're just showing off now. Got that sucker. Nice. What's this?
Oh, I didn't mean to steal your fish.
Hey, that's a bass, just kidding.
Big head Asian.
Oh, coming back your way. I gotta get him on video. Show me your fish. Oh, that's a nice one. Heck yeah. Nice. He didn't even put up a fight. Looks like we can just walk back and forth here. There's one right there.
Yeah, I know.
This is fun.
Hey, once we get down to that thing, it's gonna get friggin' nuts.
This is what we were looking for. We've been driving all around. Fish here, fish there. Remington's looking at me like, what are you talking about? Why are you talking like that? Huh?
I kind of forgot I had dropped the GoPro when you were talking.
You're like, we know that we've been driving all around. What are you talking about? They don't know we've been driving around though, talking to the people. As soon as he shoots, get ready, bub.
I don't know which way to look.
He didn't go. He didn't move very much.
Oh, you got him. You got him. That's the one you seen?
No.
Like, oh, I don't think that's the one I saw, but. Where you going, buddy? That thing. Oh my god, that was close. I would just like to point out how I hit this thing.
Hang on, I gotta get that on camera.
Oh, I got one.
You-
I got one too.
Oh no.
Maybe we need to come out here.
Let me see. Hold your doubles up. Look at them. Little tiny guys.
Wait, do you have one?
I don't know. I was shooting at that one that was dancing around.
We need to get the hurry up. Yeah.
I do not have one. You guys get ready. I'm gonna bomb the water and we're gonna go. I'd like to see you guys take one off the top, out of the sky. There he is. I ain't ready.
Get him off the bank. Oh, I missed. Get him, Remy. Oh my god, I missed. You got him. I know you did. No, I didn't. That's gonna be bad if that thing gets away after shoot that damn thing.
I can't. But...
No. He's on top. You got him.
Oh, there he goes. He's right here. It took you that long to get your arrow back on?
Why does it keep falling off? Well, it's right there, Tyler.
Right here. Look it. Take your time.
Before he darts. Dude, this arrow keeps falling off.
Is you? Nope. He's right in front of you. Right in front of you. That's awesome.
Stick him.
Oh! Dang it. That's gonna be it. Got Remington. Mullet boy. How many fish did we get? I'm not counting the stage and carp. Oh, you guys
right back to 22, we had 23. Not
Nice.
counting the ones up above. So
Yeah, we basically left a trail of destruction all up and down this road. Fed the buzzards. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. More to come, definitely. I just bought that bow fishing rig yesterday, so we're breaking her in good. Thanks for watching.